Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray. We're going to bring to you another video here. I am going to make a shield. So this is pretty good size. We'll see what the weight will be when it comes out. So what I'm going to do first is get our flask full of sand here. And see how that all lined out. I'm going to use my extra oversized flask here for this one. Seems to be works a little better. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is get this powdered up. Pressed in, nice and tight. Work the sand all the way around it. There we go. Good. All right, so now, plenty of powder in here. Now we're gonna just gently fill this in. I'm going to make a replica of Captain America's shield here. It will be pretty good size. Thinking probably close to 5 ounces is what it will tip out at. Not sure yet, but we're going to find out. All right, there we go. Let's get a lot more in here. That rolled in good. Our silver is about up to temp. Go. All right, so next what we're going to do, I'm going to get our channels cut. So the silver can pour in nice and smoothly. There we go. that in good, tight, good and tight. All right. Actually, those are bigger. I'm gonna get bigger ones. There we go. This bigger one, it works better with the bigger clamps there. All right, we're not quite at the tip yet, but we're getting there. Kind of running a little slow there. All right, I'll bring you back in once we're up to temp, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to go old school. My electric furnace just fried again. I just put a new coil in it. Don't know what's going wrong with it, but we're gonna go old school. We're gonna go back to the Devil's Forge, and let's get this pour done. So let me get that turned on and get it started. All right, guys, we just gotta let it cool off now, and we'll see how things came out. That looked pretty good. We got a good feel on it. So hopefully everything turns out. Bring you back to the table so we can crack it. All right, guys, it's the next day. I had a horrible day trying to get some stuff poured, so I'm gonna try it again. We're gonna use the Devil's Forge again because my electric furnace is not working. So we're gonna go back old school. So let me get you flipped around and we'll take a look at it. All right, here we go. It is loud. That is okay. Silver is ready. Pour in there. Nice and liquidy. All right, let me get you set up. We're gonna get this thing poured. now we just got to take it over to the table and we're going to take a look at it. So I'll bring you right back. All right, guys, here we go. Let's crack this open, see how things came out. Go. And see if it came out complete this time. That's looking pretty good. All right, we got a good feel that time. That one came out much better. All right, let me get her cleaned up and we'll take a look. All right, guys, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this cleaned up, get it polished up and finished up and ready to go. So here we go. Let me grab some tools, be right back. All right, let's disconnect it from the sprue here. It's gonna be a little thicker, harder to cut, more likely. That is okay. It poured well. Finally got a good pour to get the whole thing to fill. You may have to just cut that one. All right, guys, it's gonna be pretty loud, so I'll probably dim out the sound on this. I'm just gonna get this cut off and we'll go from there. pretty much trimmed down now. Let's give it a little more trim up and get it flush. Well, pushed a little too hard with the Dremel. Broke the cutter blade. I'm just gonna put another one on real quick. All right, back in business. Let's do it again. Maybe not. It's not like it. Not that angle. All right, so the rest of it will just go with file. Otherwise, there's too much stress on it. Move all the silver dust. Grab some files. All right, I'm gonna get it cleaned up a little more. I'll bring you. All right, guys, next we're gonna get it weighed up so we can get it stamped. Switch to modes here, troy ounces. Let's see what we got for a weight. It's gonna be 4.8 is what that's gonna be right there. You ready? There we go, 4.8. I'm gonna get that on the block. Let me grab the tool here I have. There we go. It doesn't mess up when I stamp it. With a piece of leather there. All right. We're gonna be putting my channel stamp on there. First, I'm gonna back it up a little bit. There we go. Greatest because this is a little bit rougher surface, but that's okay. Don't want to dent it too much. All right, so now let's get our ounces here all set up. We need 4 and 8 right here. Got it. And we need T and O and Z. Where's the Z? Z top. There's the Z. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna mark this up 4.8. I'm gonna start with the 4. Come through very well. There we go. 4. Point. And 8. 4.8 should say, and now we're gonna do the O underneath that. Four 4.8 ounces Troy. There we go. In there. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp it with 3/9 fine here. I'm going to find a little better place here. How about this one here? Seems pretty good. There we go. They're all stamped up now. I don't like how that kind of did that, but let's see. I tap some of that out. close enough. All right, let me get her toned up and we'll get her finished and cleaned up. All right, guys, here is the final product here. Of the shield. Right there, we have it all stamped up. I'm not super happy with it because when I stamped it up, it did bubble it a little bit. That kind of ticked me off. It already had a defect from being poured where the sprue was, but I wasn't too worried about that as much. But the one that put the extra dents in there, I almost just thought about remelting it. I'm gonna see how it goes just like this, see if anybody wants it like that, and we'll go from there. All right, well, that concludes this one, guys, and hopefully I'll make a better one next time. See ya.